question, today is my 12th day of quarantine and by God's grace my nobody has got infected at home till today. Are there still chances of them getting infected because of me here on, as I am positive? Yes, there are chances. That's why stay away from there for total 17 days. Now, do I have to continue with tablets which I am taking during my quarantine period? You can finish it moment your packet gets over, and then again concentrate more on your food, your drinks and your fresh fruits. Now next is okay, there are many questions which have come in my live this thing, but definitely I will go through them once I finish my live video, and I'll answer them tomorrow or day after for sure. Okay, presently I will answer this. Now next is hey Poonam, please specify that if any patient has fever, cough, body ache to isolate themselves. Okay, yes, this was one answer. You know what, there are many people who have just body ache and fever, and they just take paracetamol and they continue with their work. Now presently with this COVID situation, don't take it lightly. You may end up spreading things. Okay, please get yourself tested, or at least stay isolated for 5 to 7 days till that fever and everything settles. If things are not settling, get yourself tested. Good evening, doctor. I am Cleo from Margao. I am tested positive and asymptomatic. Today is my 15th day. I have no fever for the last 4 days, but feeling weak and got cold. After my 17 days home isolation, do I need to do the test again? You need not do the test again until and unless your company where you are working is asking you to produce the certificate. Then you may require to do. Now the feeling weakness, as I said, please hydrate yourself with lot of fluids, lot of ORS, lot of fresh fruit juices. Next is also till now my family is okay, though I was in contact with them before I was tested positive. They did their test and it was negative. Are they prone? If you mix with them within the first 17 days, there are chances. So stay isolated for 17 days. Now doctor, another question, after my quarantine period is over, how do I sanitize and disinfect my room, and what do I need to use and where do I get it? You need to use sodium hypochlorite, that is the simple bleaching powder that you use. Okay, so sodium hypochlorite solution you get, as well as you get what is that, the hypochlorite solution plus the bleaching powder. So the bleaching powder, you can mix it 3 tablespoons in 1 liter of water, and that becomes your sodium hypochlorite solution, which has to be made every day basis because it has to be fresh. And you can use it to wipe your floor, your walls, if your walls are water resistant paint. Okay, then you can use it to clean your walls, your knobs, your doors, everything. That is more than enough. In many societies, they have asked the municipality or the panchayat to do it, but that is their I have no idea about it. You can find out with your panchayat and your municipality regarding them, so please contact them. Now thank you so much for giving your valuable time to enlighten the public. Thank you. Okay, then please doctor, can you mention proportion? I already mentioned. Then there is this, I'm almost coming to an end, so I think I will finish this. Okay, hi doctor, just saw your video on COVID, very helpful. I just have something to ask you. For the past 3 days, mild fever crossed 37 on glass thermometer. Monday I went to the doc in health center. He said you could be viral fever, so he said no need of doing testing. I have high fever and got sore throat or cough. Should I get tested or it is just viral? How COVID fever behaves? See, there is no much difference between COVID fever and viral fever. Okay, but in viral fever usually we will have a lot of runny nose. In COVID usually you do not have, it is a dry cold. Okay, so there is no much runny nose in that. Okay, so that was one difference, but it is very it is a very subtle difference. There is no much difference between viral and COVID. COVID is also viral, otherwise other virals are also viral diseases. So I would rather say be careful. If you are getting more fever, more body ache, go get the test done, ask the doctor to reassess. See, there are so many patients now, even we have to be very careful about how many patients are. The ones who are more serious are given preference in such way. There is something known as what is this triage that we follow. Triage means the ones who are in more need are taken first, and those who can wait are requested to wait. Okay, then hi to this Yadvendra, hi Nelvin Menezes. Okay, next is hi, I have a 4-month-old baby. I think I answered this. Yeah. Now I have a 4-month-old baby. I am positive for COVID, but my baby tested negative. My baby is with me with necessary precautions and nursing and taking care of my baby. Her vaccine at 14 weeks was due on 10th, has skipped. Our home isolation is getting over 17. So can I take my baby after that? Yes, you can take your baby for your You can take your baby for vaccination post your isolation. No worries, if you miss it for 15 days or 18 days, no problem, you can do it later on. I have made an entire video on COVID season and regular vaccination of the babies on my YouTube videos. Please go and see that. Secondly, our full family was infected, so I was staying in one room separately with baby. I wanted to ask you, doctor, after the isolation period getting over, can my family members come in contact with my baby, and do we still have to wear mask and carry her? If yes, so then till when we do have to do? Okay, the rest of the family member, each and every family member has to finish their 17 days, because there are some family members who will come positive on 1st of September, there are some who will come positive on 15th of September. So see that everyone finishes their 17 days. After that they can come in contact with the baby. After that it is like normal, you will come in contact with the baby, but still, just to be on sure side, don't go too close to the baby, don't kiss the baby too much. Other than the mother, don't try to be too close to the baby. Now next is, these are the last two questions. My father is admitted in ESI hospital Margao. His oxygen level is not stable. Doc, there is said that you have to give antivirus vaccine. Can you brief me on that? Now I don't know what is this antivirus vaccine. I think it is antivirus medicine. Okay, now depending upon the patient's condition, there are multiple types of medicines which are used, plasma therapy that is used. So the doctor who is managing there would be the best person to answer. As I said, I am a child specialist. I don't deal much with serious COVID patients. I am trying to create awareness among the general public so that you all take care and you all are safe. Last one is, can my parents sleep together as well, as we are all sleeping separate because we are all COVID positive in our family. So now here, when everyone is positive, you can behave like a normal family inside your house. Only thing, don't go out of your house. Okay, so you are going to confine to your house, and inside your house you do not have to wear mask when you are walking inside your house or working inside your house. You can sleep together, no problem. I think this same person had one more query, that is both husband and wife, that is the parents, and this son is positive, and his wife who is outside, she's not with them, she is out because she has delivered a baby. Okay, so she is out with their mother's place. So that lady is supposed to come back after 20 days. So yes, after your 17 to 20 days are over, that other lady who is negative can come and stay in your house. But see that all of you don't go too close to the baby, don't go to kiss the baby and everything. I think I have answered all the questions, and it has become a big video today. I will be dividing into two halves and uploading it on my on all my channels as well as my FB page. Do follow me on Dr. Poonam's vlog, on FB page, on YouTube, and on my Instagram. There are many people who ask me, doctor, how can we help you? If anyone wants to help me, see, I do not want anything. I just want you all to follow me so that I can spread this knowledge to many people. My only aim of coming online is to spread knowledge, nothing else. Okay, so I want to spread knowledge. If every one of you wants to help me, everyone who is watching me presently, 51, 52, 53 people live, plus all those who are going to watch this video next, maybe usually what I find is, moment I upload the video, there are around 5,000 to 8,000 views within 3 hours. So all those people, I just expect you follow me on all my social handles and spread the knowledge everywhere. That's it, is what I want. Okay, so I'm Dr. Poonam Sambhaji, child and newborn specialist, signing off for today. Bye bye.